See, we are in Germany, and there is a very famous Indian face who promote German business in India is Rajesh Nath. Everyone knows Rajesh Nath and VDMA. So when I came to Hanover, one thing was there. We already, we were planning that we will meet here. So I gone to VDMA stall now. At Hanover, there are minimum 10 VDMA stalls in different halls. So I don't know where to go and meet him. And finally, I was able to meet him at the EPC near to the Indian stall.
Right.
Amazing, Rajesh ji. So, how it is going here at Hanover?
I think it's going very well, Hari. We have a very good Indian participation also at Hanover. And you can see there is a lot of buoyancy in the industry, good number of visitors coming, good number of exhibitors. And also we have, I think, statistics to prove a very buoyant Indo-German trade. In fact, I wanted to share with you and the audience also that the export of German machinery to India would touch record figures in 2022. And it is not only one-side export, in fact, even export of Indian engineering goods and products to Germany will cross the 1 billion mark, and it will also be record figures in 2022. Plus, we are seeing a lot of increased interest of the German companies to look at India, invest in India further. What we are seeing a new trend is also to source from India.
Yeah.
I think the last 2 years, this is becoming more and more, and as the German companies look to decouple themselves, and I think India is gaining in significance. So I'm sure this exhibition will bring also a good bit of business to the Indian participants who are here, and I believe there are about more than 100 Indian exhibitors.
Because only EPC have brought around 50 plus companies.
Absolutely.
And otherwise also, if you see that there are a lot of Indian companies who are having their participation here.
Right.
I was just now there at Smersal,
Right.
and I was talking to Michael Ambrose, the CEO.
Right.
And he was telling that it is amazing to see a lot of Indian visitors.
Yes.
Very serious Indian visitors coming and looking at the innovations here.
Right.
That's also amazing.
Yeah, and I think especially when you look at like Schmazal and other companies who are in the automation, there's a lot of good work that is happening in the automation sector, automation, industry 4.0. And I think this is also important for India because India is also adopting a certain level of automation, and we will need to also go with a certain level of automation if we want the manufacturing industry to prosper. So I think it's a win-win situation both sides.
See, I always get sometimes, jealous of Rajesh ji because somewhere the job the media needs to do to promote the stories, promote the good things about the industry or bridging the gap. Yeah, okay, as an association he do that, but he is having that passion towards industry, passion towards India, passion towards this, the work he is doing of bringing India and Germany together, and you are doing an amazing job.
Thank you so much.
Us.
Thank you so much, Hari, for the kind words. No, it's been a pleasure, it's been a happy journey. I've been involved in this now for almost 25 years, or a quarter of a century, one could say. And still, I think it's very satisfying also to see how the Indo-German relationships have been developing, and especially the last 2 to 3 years, we've seen incredible growth of the Indo-German relationship, and I think a very changed perception of the German or European companies towards India. And I think this is just the starting. So the next few years are going to be very exciting times for the Indo-German relationship, Hari.
I just want to tell one point. For the last couple of days I am here.
Yeah.
I am understanding one thing is the cost of Germany is just doubling up.
Yeah.
The war, the China, the COVID, everything is brought a lot of trouble to them. So it is very nominal for German companies to look at other options where they can, to manage, to sustain, they need good partners. And I think, as you rightly told, India can play a big role. You are 25 years in the industry, Rajesh ji, but I think this is just a start for you.
Absolutely.
A lot of job is there, and big responsibility for you to take this, bring those Indian companies, show them that path. And thank you for inspiring all of us.
And I must thank you also, Hari, for all the good work you're doing and trying to promote the Indian industry, trying to promote the manufacturing sector. So more power to you, and continue the good work with the same zeal and enthusiasm.
Thank you very much.